To install the secondary connection rod in your free access stall, you will need a 9/16 wrench, a 15/16 open-end wrench, and a 9/16 socket and a drill or ratchet driver. First, lock the stall closed with the control lever at the front. While locked, check the rear door for proper spacing and alignment. There should be a gap of approximately 3/8 inch to 7/16 of an inch in between the stall door and the side frame. If you need to adjust this, use the 15/16 wrench and loosen the jam nut at the end of the connection rod. Now remove the bolt and nut from the eye bolt using the 9/16 ratchet. Once removed, rotate the eye bolt either clockwise to shorten its length or counterclockwise to increase it. Reinsert the eye bolt back into the rear door and tighten everything down again, including the jam nut. Now to install the new arm on the other side, start by inserting the connection rod into the hole of the front swing door and tighten it securely with the 9/16 ratchet. Swing the arm up to insert the eye bolt into the rear door frame. Rotate the eye bolt in the same manner previously explained to properly adjust its length to match the connection rod on the opposite side. Insert it into the rear door and tighten everything down in the same manner as before. Unlock the stall so it can open, and then test the door to ensure it opens and closes properly. Be certain to double check that the rear push lever and the rear door have the adequate clearance. Your installation is complete and the crate is ready for use.